Oh, Priscilla, ano kaya? Gamer ka ba? So, hi guys, mag-drawing yung magkakapatid. So, panamin namin sila drawing. Sino mas magandang drawing? Yun yung mananalo. May premyo. May 10K, kag 10 billion dollars, ha? So, galingan nyo, mga magkakapatid. Aray! Putang yung green screen. Hindi nga.
Green screen. Okay, 3, 1, go.
Ano, I forgot to buy mirror.
Napay na lang to dayo sa basuran.
I'm a Wally Bear.
Bakit paligo ko?
Always think of Wally Bear.
Wally bear!
Thank you.
Wally Bear.
Wait,
Think
I'ma
of Wally Bear.
Wait. I'ma go back. I'ma draw. I'ma draw Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Wally Bear.
Okay, this is gonna be tough.
Because I drew a rock.
Why did you
Mila?
pilas me? Yo. You pilas me ni.
Shoplifting. I'ma draw Wally Bear.
Nabutin patay mo ang isaktuhan.
Kasalanan ko pa?
Bro.
Oh, Wally.
Bro, my head is so.
You could just erase
Kasi
it.
diri ko. Ate, tingnan ako manalog na, oh. Pagsisihon nyo.
Ang tanggang mo.
Ari ko din. Kada sa... Aray! 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 So guys, napapakon ko silang dalawa. So,